Okay, so now we'll be moving on to prime factors. But wait, what is a factor? How do I get a factor? What if I don't know what factors are? What if there's 1,000,000 of them? What am I gonna do? Well, let me tell you. It is very simple. So let's start off with what a factor is, of course. So any number times a number, which will equal to a product. So let's look at an example. So our example is going to be 8. So first let's start off with 1. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. Now let's move on to 2. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Now let's move on to 3. 3 times... It doesn't work! No! So let's move on to 4. But wait, 4 has already been used. No! Now let's move on to 6. 6 doesn't work. 7. 7 doesn't work either. And now just back to 8. 8 times 1. Already taken. Sorry. So there's only 4 factors for 8. 1, 8, 2, and 4. So, oh wait, silly me. How could I forget? It must be in order, kids. 1, 2, 4, and 8. Like height order. Except it's obviously not divided by height, because 8 is way shorter. So, let's move on to a different factor, or I should say, product. So, oh my god, it's all gone. It's magical. Oh, I knew it. I told everyone. They didn't believe me. Victory for me. I knew it. I was magical. Ha. Anyway, probably don't want to see me doing that for the next 2 hours, so I will work on my math. My math, your math, everyone's math. So let's start off with our product, 90. So you might be thinking, how many factors are in 90? There must be like a trillion, million, billion, right? Well, I will show you a bit of a hack. But first, let's just start off with how some people would do it. So let's start off with 2, which is our factors. Our prime factors would be, in this case, the first one will be 2. 2 by 45. But 45 is not our prime number. 2 is, so we circle it. Just to have a little tap. So now, 45 can turn into 3 by 15. So 3 by 15. 3 is a prime number, prime factor. So we can circle that. Now 15 is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5. These are each prime factors. So we circle them. Now I will show you the life hacks. Yeah. So 2 by 3 and by 3 and then by 5. So I will show you. This is literally crazy. It changed everything. So 2 and then we'll do by our exponents. So times 3 times 5. You might be wondering, why am I excluding that one 3? Because I need to erase everything again. That's why, guys. 2 by 3, I'm excluding it again. And then by 5. So now we will do our exponents. So 2 and then by 1, since 2 times 1 is 2. Then 3. And then by exponents of 2, because there's 2 3s, and then 1. Don't worry, I've not forgotten about the twin, okay? Just chill in the comments, okay? Why you guys gotta be so aggressive? And now I'm going to show you an ultimate life hack. Perfect. So we will have the exponents add 1 and then multiply them all together. So 1 will then add 1 will be 2. Times 2 add 1 will be 3. Then times 1 times 1 plus 1 is 2. So we times all these together, which will equal to 12. But guess what? See, look, even the board agrees. It is life hacks. It's magical, okay? I'm telling you guys right now, it is magical. I am magical. No one believes me, but it is magic. Victory. So, this 12 number actually represents the amount of factors 90 has. So, let's start off with our factors. So, we will start off with number 1. 1 and then times 90 is equal to 90. So, we should make sure that we discriminate them because no, we shouldn't do that in real life. So, 1 times 90. And never discriminate people in real life, okay? Just don't. Okay, so now we'll move on to number 2. 2 times 45 will equal to 90. Then 3 times 30 will equal to 90. Then 4. But wait, teleportation is real, and life-breaking news. 4 may not be a factor of 90, or is it? Brain power usage over 1,000 for this. 4. I mean, how does just one number take up so much brain usage? I mean, do you guys wonder that question? Well, I will show you the awesome life hacks. And I will show you this. So these numbers times any number, or just one itself, can equal to one of the factors. So, none of these numbers equal to 4. So no, it is not, I repeat, 4 is not a factor of 90. So now we will move on to 5. So if we look at this, number 5, but now, wait, brain power usage accelerating max once again. It's infuriating. So I will show you this great words. So 5, and then we exclude this. So 2 times 3 times 3, 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 2, 18. So 5 times 18 will give you 90. Brain usage going back down. Yes. Now, number 6. Will you get 6 for 90 of factors? So you actually will by 2 times 3. So now we have to times 3 by 5, which is equal to 15. So now it is a factor of 90. 7. Anything here times any other number equal to 70. Nope, nada. So now we will move on to our next number, 8. It does not work. Nope, nuh-uh. So now we'll go on to 9. 9 is a factor by 3 times 3. So 9, and then times, and then 5 times 2, 10. So now we will go on to 11. So anything here times a number equal to 11. Nope. So we will have to skip 11 and go to 12. So let's see. Nope. 13. Nope. 14. Nada. So I've gotten to 14. Maybe 20. Maybe until I'm 1,000 years old. Who knows? Maybe we could be here for all of eternity, me trying to figure out what other numbers. But remember that sweet, dank life hack of 12? Well, that is the amount of factors you will have for 90. So as you can see right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and 12. Yes! So that means we've already figured out all the factors for 90. This is a sweet life hack. So now we have to put them in alphabetical, no, not alphabetical, what am I saying? Numerical. I have to put them in numerical order, not alphabetical. So we have to do them from least to greatest. Oh my gosh, Board, stop doing this to me. Stop writing down all the answers. And why'd you blow them up? Because you can. That's not type of an answer. What answer is that? Mine? Seriously? Well, I'm going to end this video off here before I start raging with this whiteboard. Thank you guys for watching this. Hope you have a nice day.